Hey folks, how's it going? It has been a while. Just thought I'd jump on to let you know that I'm back. If you've been following the channel for a while, you may, or maybe you haven't noticed, but there's been no new video content on here for over 12 months. I didn't post once in 2023. I just wanted to jump on to say hello, I'm still here, and that I have got new content coming soon. Now, I guess I wanted to give a bit of context as to where I've been, why haven't I been about. So, first of all, I've had, I guess, some issues with my health. I will not go into that sub story here. However, I did write a blog about it on my website. So I'll stick a link to that in the description so you can check that out if you want. Beyond that, I would say probably for at least the last 6 months or so, actually, my health's been a lot better anyway. So I probably have been in a position where I could have made some content. But I have been ultimately making content elsewhere. So Grayscale Analytics is just a hobby for me, something I do in my spare time for a little bit of fun. My actual employers are a consultancy called Advancing Analytics. I've actually been doing quite a lot of content for them, so you can check out their channel if you're not subscribed to that already. Myself and one of my colleagues, Craig, have a show on that, Advancing Fabric, all around Microsoft's brand new Fabric platform. You should definitely go check that out, and you should subscribe to that channel if you haven't already. But yeah, new things coming, big things coming, hopefully. Back to business as usual? Well, maybe not. The world has changed since last time I made video content. So I've already mentioned Fabric. It's the new kid on the block. Whereas I've always been a Power BI geek and a Power BI enthusiast, and I definitely intend to carry on making Power BI content. But that product has expanded. Fabric fits really, really nicely in terms of my personal experience and my personal career, because even though my public persona has always been about Power BI, historically, from a career perspective, I have worked in sort of those data engineering and BI type roles in the past, and bringing all of that new functionality to Fabrics, it's right in my wheelhouse. So probably look to see a little bit of Fabric content happening as well. But I've also been stretching my legs in some other technology directions too. So again, from a work perspective, I've been working a lot more closely with Databricks. Would love to start including some more Databricks content on here as well, especially around their analytics offerings as opposed to sort of their hardcore data engineering type side of things. And then just another thing that's been fascinating me recently, and part of my personal journey in terms of where I want to go in terms of the skills I want to acquire. I've been really looking hard at DBT. So you may have seen me. I was on Reed Haven's live stream not so long ago, presenting on DBT. I've done a couple of community talks on it as well. So the plan is to hopefully start to throw a bit of DBT content onto the channel as well. So if that all sounds good to you, and if you haven't already, absolutely make sure you do subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see you around. Thanks.